Punya kucing.
I hope you're right. Have a fire and you to play with. Thanks, Doc.
Hey, Mama.
Bye. Bye. See ya.
See ya.
Hey, Nat. What are you doing here? Whoa, you're working? Awesome. I miss you, buddy. Yeah, come on. You got a fire to put out. Come on, guys. Let's go play with Donnie and Lenny. Help, help. My house is on fire. Oh, come on. I'm a dragon. I'll be safe.
Sama anak.
Doc, thanks for playing with me. You're the best sister ever. I love hanging out with you. Almost as much as our toys do. The right stuff.
Hi, Doc.
Am I borrowing?
Watch out for danger. Walk around adventuring.
Adventurers aren't scared of danger. Here you go. Crew's here and brave enough to join world-famous adventurer Dominic Stuffin in her adventure to get the sparkly ball sparkles back from the Wicked King. Oh, I am, Doc. You sound really.
Me too. After all, I am a dragon, and dragons are very, very brave.
Real dragons are brave, Stuffy. You're a stuffed dragon.
I'm just as brave as they are.
As brave as a real dragon?
I am. I'll prove it.
I'll need both of you to be brave adventurers today. Okay, the king is keeping the sparkly ball back from the air and lost temple. We need to get it back. I can't keep you clean. You're right. Someone needs to go up higher for a better look. Oh, pick me! Pick me! Thanks for volunteering, Stuffy. That's very brave. Stuffy, are you okay?
Of course I'm okay. Why wouldn't I be okay? Yeah, there's a squeaky fish and a snowman guarding the lost temple.
They must be working.
Jika engkau
Good job, Stuffy. Okay, here's the plan. Granny and I will distract the guards. Great! Let's give the adventurer oath. Well, there's no ocean, sky, or cave. Adventurers are very brave. Hey, let's distract the guards.
Sounds like something scary's going on over there.